Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C. C for cat, C for car. And again use red color. Red color. Kids, now I draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of D. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for monkey. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, now draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw S. S for sun, S for sheep. Kids, now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. And again use red color. Red color. It's neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. And use yellow color. Yellow color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W is for wolf, W is for watch. It's neither X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Kids neither Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids neither numbers. And first letter 1. The numbers of 1. And use black color. Black color. O and E1. Kids again use black color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids neither 4. The numbers of 4. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6. Kids again use blue color and draw 7. The numbers of 7. S, E, V, E and 7. Kids neither 8. The numbers of 8. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. N, I, N, E, 9. Kids neither 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.